Hi, welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to generate the timetable. Now we have learned that how to do the initial setup, how to do the data entry, how to configure the teacher and the classes. So now we will do the step 3, and that is to generate the timetable. Now how to do that? Well, you have to go to open timetable board. You have to click on that. So this will take you to the timetable board. Now, as you can see, there is already a timetable that I had generated before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all. Okay, so I'm going to delete all the entries. Now these entries are deleted, but they are not permanently deleted. Okay, if I want, I can click on undo and I can have them again. So you can redo and undo, but to permanently save, you need to click on the save button. So if I just redo this, okay, it will be gone again. And then if I click on save button, now this will be permanently deleted. Now I cannot undo or redo. Okay, because this has now permanently saved. So it is permanently deleted. So whenever you generate a timetable, okay, and you're happy with that, so make sure you click on the save button. This is very, very important. Otherwise, the timetable is not saved. Okay, now what you can do is I'm going to tell you about the class navigator. So this is the class navigator over here, and you have this button called as show all. If you click on show all, it will show all the classes over here. Right now I just configured two classes, one A and one B, so it is just showing me the two classes. If you configure all the classes, it is going to show all the classes to you over here. Okay, now how to generate the timetable? Well, it's very easy. I can simply click on generate all, and it is going to generate the entire timetable for you. Now, there is no possibility that it is going to leave any slot empty unless and until there is some error done from our side, from the user side. Otherwise, it is filled all the gaps. All the slots will get resolved. Okay, it's a very powerful engine that we have developed. Okay, now I will delete this again. As I said, this is generated, but it is not saved. If I click on save, it will be saved. But right now, I'll just delete again. Okay, I'm just working them. Once I'm happy, then I will save it, the final action that I will save it. Okay, now as you can see over here, there is an arrow button over here. If you click over here, and you can see all the teachers that you had configured over here in the panel. As you can see over here, what I can do, well, I can pick them and drag it manually like this. Okay, I can pick and drag. As you can see, the pills that you have picked and dragged, there is a P over here. That is, so that you have pinned them. P means pinned. So you have manually pinned them. So I want a J over here. Okay, this is same for EBS. So I will just bring that back. So just move, if you move it back, it will get deleted. Okay, and I will bring Manoj over here, right? Manoj, maths. So I want that English and maths should be together. So I just wanted in this particular class, well, I will keep it like that. And the second class, okay, I'll just keep it as empty. And then I will generate all and just see the magic that it will do. You can see that Ajay and Manoj, 99% it will keep it as it is unless there is no slots available absolutely. Then in that case, it might switch these pills. Okay, but 99.9% it will keep it as it is. Okay, so you can see that pills are already there, which I manually added them. So if you want, if you have some special case to keep a particular teacher over there, you can do that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all. I have not saved this, by the way. Okay, now for example, again I will just drag something. Maybe I will just drag Manoj, and then I have Mukesh, that is physics. Now in case this is like I want these two periods to be to be together always in all the classes. Okay, how am I going to do that? Well, there is an option called as copy selected, right? So okay, first thing is you are going to click on select pinned pills. Click on that. Okay, and then select those two pills. So it will get selected. You can see that red border, and then copy that selected. And then it will show me the option where you want to copy to all the sections. Right now it is by default showing to all sections. So I'll keep it to section B also. I want to copy the same pattern. So I will just simply click on preview, and it will show you whether it is possible or not. Okay. And then click on apply copy. And you can see over here also it has filled that pins. Okay, together. Okay. And now you can just click on generate all, and you will have the entire timetable info in front of you, and the pinned pills are always there over here. Once you save this, then the pinned pills will be gone. Not gone means the p that you can see, that will, you will not see that. Okay, once if I save this, okay, so if I click on save, and now you can see that p has gone from there. Okay, now this is saved permanently. Okay, right now I will delete all, and I will click on save. Now the data is completely deleted. Few more things I'm going to show you. That is the teacher's view. You can see the teacher's timetable. Right now there is no teacher's timetable. Let us go back and generate. Okay, and now if I just go to teacher's view, it is over there. But make sure this is not saved. You need to go to that main timetable and click on save. Okay, I can click on show all, and you can see all the teachers over here, the teachers timetable, right? Then if I go back to the timetable, then I can click on export to Excel, and I can take a printout of this. Okay, so this is how the Excel is going to look like over here. Okay, make sure if you're happy with everything, again I repeat, click on the save button. Do not forget to click on the save button. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here, and we're going to meet in the next video, and I'm going to show you some more special cases and how to handle them. Thank you so much.